The giraffes are waiting to be let out.
Coming through. Nice and steady then.
Baby Murchison has had plenty of chances to go outside in the last few weeks. But it seems he still doesn't fancy the idea.
Come on then. Come on.
Most times giraffe calves want to be straight out, but he just doesn't want to go outside.
Go.
We need to get in there and get cleaning. It's easier for us if he does go out with the herd, and he should be with them, the herd animals.
Go, Dalma.
As if there was an invisible line there. He just does not want to cross it.
Oh, come on then. Come on then. Give it a poke it with a stick.
He was a bit anxious at first. You saw him come up to the cobbles and then back away.
No. Yay!
And then he just saw his mum outside and was like, right, I'm going to do it.
Oh, look how little he looks.
The need to follow her was probably stronger than his fear of like something new.
So nice to see him standing out there with everyone.
When they're mixed outside, it's scary for the first time. It's a large environment for such a small animal.
I think you're constantly on edge because every little movement he makes, you're like, oh God, I hope he doesn't slip. Oh, I hope he's gonna right himself.
There he goes.
It's nerve-wracking to watch a giraffe run for the first time because the legs are all over the shop. They're not sure where the brakes are. They go running out, not know when to stop, and normally if one sets off, they all go crazy. Yeah, the moat's easy. If they go in the moat, they can just climb out of the cell. If it's the canal, that's the more harder one to fish them out of. I was a little bit concerned at first because I didn't know why he didn't want to go outside. But to finally get him outside, you know, it's a great achievement. It's a success.